Wait. Likabal Mobile is actually out on Play Store.
Trapped in the concept, falsely accused, refused. I'm a slave, bitch, I'm hoping you fucking rest in peace.
So let's do this, bali. Kabal Mobile was actually out on Play Store. Excited na ako laruin to. Bali, it was released last 2010, I guess. Na player na ako ng laro na to since PC pa lang siya. Bali, nilan siya noong July 15. Yan, July 15, 2021. English version. Bali, meron akong Korean version nito dati. This is the international version, kaya let's do this. I'm going to show you the briefly preview ng game na to. So, we are going to choose login method. So, I'm going to choose Phoenix kasi sabi na isang friend ko is Phoenix siya gumawa. We're going to create a new character right now. Kabala so many classes. Tapos meron siyang 2 different gender. Warrior, Blader. This is a Blader. Then, Wizard. Isa to sa pinakamatatandang MMORPG nung araw. Sobrang sayang laruin nito. This is a Force Archer. So, ito yung Force Shielder na tinatawag nila. Force Blader, my favorite. We're going to customize the face. We're going to do more like Asian type. I guess I like this one. Matapang siya tignan. Then, type B yung hair. Kamukha siya ni Eren. This one, I guess, para kahit paano ay matapak-tapak naman ng konti. Ayoko nito kasi BTS. I guess I'm going to choose golden hair or black hair na lang. Black hair. Then we're going to enter our in-game name. I'm going with Carlos 1. Carlos 1. So, create. Currently, sub-password set. So, we're going to create sub-password. So, let's do this. We're going to enter the Neverad. So, dahil Force Blader tayo, mag-start tayo sa Green Despair. So, this place is Green Despair, kung saan nag-originate ang Force Blader. Malalaman mo yung classification ng character mo through their suits. Gawa ng we are wearing battle suits. Then, yan, like this. Training battle helm. Once the character is wearing a battle suits, automatically he or she is Force Blader or Force Archer. Ganun siya. So we're going to do our first quest. We're going to click the quest, then quest, Green Despair. Nice to meet you. Going to meet the dealers. So let's go. We're going to click the auto quest right here. Confirmation. Yan. Dati sa Kabal PC is hindi uso ang auto quest. So manual questing lang kami. Hindi uso ang auto quest. Mas pinadali dito sa part na to gawa na we are using mobile phone. Kaya, implemented ang auto quest. Just click single tap in here, the quest, tapos i-redirect ka na niya kung saan ka pupunta. Then, by the way, Kabal is more on questing, kaya para sa mga player na bago pa lang sa larong to, kung tinatamad kayo sa mga ganitong klaseng concept or ganitong klaseng type ng laro, mas mabuti siguro mag-Mobile Legends na lang kayo. So, you don't need to read all of those dialogues. Gawa ng karamihan naman sa kanila hindi importante. So, pag sinabing main quest, yan, dapat binabasa niyo yan. Kung interesado kayong laruin siya, binabasa niyo dapat ang main quest. Gawa na, importante kasi siya. Diyan nakapaloob yung istorya ng laro. Tsaka kung paano niyo makukuha yung mga important skills, important items. I think this is upon use. Do you want to read this? So, huwag muna. So, we're going to use our training battle helm for now. Yan. So, this is the inventory. Yan, what we have here. This is the training battle suit. This is the training battle suit. Then, training katana. So, we are already wearing all of those training items. Gawa ng nagsisimula pa lang tayo. So, let's go to our quest. Do you want to warp? So, napaka-basic pa lang. Basic pa lang yung sistema ng laro. Gawa na. We're just warping. We're just warping on our main quest sa umpisa. Pero tatagal yung laro. Kung parang lalalim yung quest, lalalim lahat ng mga bagay sa game. Kaya mas maganda, antabay tayo sa lahat ng quest, lahat ng dialogues, para kahit paano naiintindihan natin yung game. So, sa ngayon, confirm tayo sa warping. So, marami sa inyo hindi alam kung paano yung system ng laro. Kasi karamihan sa inyo is ngayon pala nagsisimula. Yung iba sa inyo is nasilaw lang. Kasi bago. Lalo yung mga kabataan ngayon. Hindi nyo kasi naabutan yung panahon namin. Kung paano kami kumupit sa nanay namin, sa tatay namin. Kumupit ng baon, magdahilan na meron daw group project, assignment. Tapos pupunta ng computer shop, maglalaro lang ng larong to. Mahirap nung araw. So, ngayon tinransfer siya sa mobile game, kaya madali na lang siya. So, proceed na tayo. What's this? Tutorial. Skip tutorial na natin. So, tinuturo lang dyan kung paano may i-apply yung mga HP potion, yan. I see. So, thanks to you. So, we already claim MP potion. Right there. So, para to Mobile Legend. Sa Mobile, meron siyang attribute. So, we're going to add attributes sa ating hero para lumakas siya kahit wala siyang magkaroon siya ng advance sa lahat ng bagay, especially on battlefield. So, we are going to do the recommended muna tayo. Recommended, then confirm. Gawa ng we're just starting. Pero bilang Force Blader ha, sa totoo lang, bilang Force Blader, we are going to adjust kung saan yung pinakamalaking points dito sa part na to. So, we're going to adjust on Dex kasi Dexterity talaga ang Force Blader, gumagamit siya ng magic, then at the same time, sword. So, Dex siya, at the same time, meron siyang konting intelligent. Yan. Para makapag-adjust siya sa true magic, true mana, hindi siya maubusan ng mana agad-agad. So, what's this? Meron siya agad suit. Samantalang kakasimula pa ng laro nito. I guess this is a bot. Wala pa naman kasi dapat hero dito. Robobo. So, ilang days pa lang nirelease ang game na to, pero meron na naka-aura. Ba't ganun? Ano ito, mga beta tester? Tangina. Unfair. So, we're going to play Dark Quest. Nakakatawa siya kasi English na siya. Hindi siya tulad nung unang baon ng Pinas sa utang. So, maganda dito kasi naiintindihan mo na ulit lahat ng dialogues. Hindi tulad nung nakaraang laro ko dito is Korean version kasi siya. Sobrang hirap intindihin ng mga characters. So, we're here. We're going to proceed on the battlefield, I guess. So, Mantis killed. We're going to kill Mantis. Warping on the Mantis zone. So, punta tayo sa lugar kung saan nag-i-spawn yung mga Mantis. So, bali, nirelease tong laro na to 2010, I guess, or 11. We didn't put any skills sa ngayon. So, bali, I'm going to show you kung paano maglagay ng skills ito sa mga blank tabs na to. So, we are going to put our skills here. Punta muna tayo sa safe place para hindi tayo magkaroon ng pre-hit, pre-attachment sa mga Mantis na to. Or maybe, tama. Dito ko na gagawin. So, we're going to click the C logo. Then, skill. Yan, itong triangle na to. Then, click this one. Then, just drag it here. Yan. Then, another one, this is a magic skills. Yan, dyan. Then, iput natin siya dito para makita natin siya sa mapa. Yan. So, what do we have here? So, we're going to, we also going to take the HP potion here. Then, put it here para kahit pa paano magkaroon tayo ng access. Easily access. Ay, meron na pala, sorry. So, kahit para magkaroon tayo ng easily access dito sa we're going to remove this one. Paano i-remove to? Siguro dyan na yan. Hindi ko na alam kung paano i-remove eh. So, marami tayong pipindutin sa ngayon gawa na marami pa siyang what's this? Item shop. So, basic fighting. Yan. Nire-retrieve niya ko sa. So, meron tayong skill book. Force tab. New skills. Meron tayong, naging na rin new skills natin. Skill book. Force tab o new skills natin. So, sa umpisa, puro free pa lang lahat. Yan. At habang tumatagal yung game, hindi na siya free. Kasi this is a pay-to-win game. Yan, meaning ko sa inyo, this is a pay-to-win game. Hindi ka lalakas kung hindi ka gagastos. That is the concept of the game. So, we have new skills right here. So, we're going to put that new skills on number 3. Para meron tayong combo. Then, put the skills dyan para visualization tayo. Kasi siya nakaano. Then, drag this one here. Gawa na mas maganda siya. Ayaw nyo madrag. Nakakabad trip. So, we're going to enable. I know. So, this is unable to. Paano to? Wait. Skills ulit. Sorry. So, we're going to click the skills and yan, sinop ko na yan. Sorry. So, yun na. Meron na tayong visualization ng bagong skills natin. So, we're going to try it maya-maya ng konti. Kasi, as a early bird, kailangan. As a beginner, kailangan pure quest muna tayo. So, what's next? We are going to Kolo Instructor. I shall take the challenge. So, there are so many challenges in here. Ngayon, ita-transfer na tayo sa Bloody Eyes. Kasi doon natin papatayin yung susunod nating susunod nating objective. So, warping. Meron tayong 3 warp wizard ang pinili niya. So, hindi. Sorry. So, Green Despair pa rin pala tayo. Sorry. So, nasa Green Despair tayo at this moment. Gawa ng ayan. Kunin natin tong Amulet of Memento. Ayan. Take this one. Then, go to Troglo. Yung mas malalim na part ng mapa ng Green Despair. So, this is a Troglo's place. We're going to kill all of those. Hindi, one of those lang pala. Then, may kunin tayong item sa kanila. So, this is the Troglo. Hindi pakita. I guess that is a bot. Hindi ko nakuha. Ay, hindi nakuha. Kukuha tayo ng papatay tayo ng 5 Troglo. Para matapos natin yung quest natin. Ayan. So, this is... Tapos, iwasan natin lumapit muna sa kulay pula na pangalan ng mga kalaban gawa ng syempre. Ini-indicate niya na parang hindi pa natin kaya. Hindi pa kaya ng level natin yung ganyang monster or creeps. So, marami pang walang pangalan na class. Siguro bot pa sila. Gawa ng hindi pa kasi ganun ka. So, meron tayong what's this? Katana. So, we're going to take that one muna sa ngayon kasi we are already using is training katana. So, pagpalitin natin sila. Then, delete this one. Para kahit paano meron tayong additional damage and XP sa lahat ng papatay natin. So, we're done. Tapos na natin yung quest natin. So, we're going back to Kalo Instructor para i-retrieve. Ipasa na yung quest natin. Yan. So, we're going to Kalo Instructor. Yan. Quest complete. Then, meron tayo panibagong skill book. Sabi ko nga ulit kanina. Yan. Ulitin ko lang ulit. Sa umpisa, libre pa lahat. Kasi, early bird tayo. Mga parang bago pa lang tayo. Tatagal yung game. Magkakaroon ng bayad lahat. So, pay to win kasi yung game na to. Kailangan mo maglabas ng pera kung gusto mong lumakas. So, from Green Despair, so this place is Green Despair. Yan. We are here on Green Despair. Then, we are going to transfer here on Bloody Eyes. Kasi, yun na, dyan na yung next quest natin. So, we're done for now in Green Despair. We're going to transfer on Bloody Eyes Warp Gate. Let's do this. So, yun nga. So, Bloody Eyes. Ito yung lugar kung saan kapag ang class mo is Warrior, Force Shielder, at saka Gladiator. Dati kasi wala pang Gladiator, kaya Warrior at Force Shielder lang nandito. So, bali, we're going to take the O'Connor's Instructor quest. So, of course, quest complete. We're done in here. Return Stone. We are going to take the Return Stone times 30. So, Return Stone, yun yung ginagamit natin para makapag-warp tayo anytime, any moment, kung saan tayo nanggaling, kung saan tayo napupunta. O limbawa, mamamatay ka na, punta ka lang sa safe place, click mo, double click mo na yung Return Stone para makabalik ka sa mismong base, kung nasan ka nagsimula. So, state the mission. We're going to take O'Connor's Instructor's request. I shall take the challenge. Hinihingi lang mo salita. Wait. So, let's do this. We are going to kill Rabbit Horn. 5 Rabbit Horn. So, I guess we're going to walk na lang. Lalakad na lang tayo para ang arte ko. Lalakad na lang tayo para uy, putang ina, ba't may nakaganto agad? So, I guess this is a bot. Bot lang yan. Gawa ng, syempre. Nagsisimula pa lang tayo. Wala pa silang IGN. Walang IGN yung iba. Dahil early access pa nga lang itong game na to, marami pang bots. Hindi bago na magkaroon ng bots sa ganitong laro. Lalo na kapag sisimula pa para may pandagdag na si Club. Yan. So, we're going to kill Rabbit Horn. So, this is a Rabbit Horn. At least 5 of these rabbits na may horn daw siya. Pero wala akong nakikitang horn. Yan. Yung tugtog, kung narinig mo, yan yung isang bagay kaya nakaka-mesmerize yung tugtog. Yan kung narinig nyo sa background natin. Yan isang bagay kaya gusto ko larong to. Nakaka-relax yung tugtog. Especially kung nasa Green Despair ka, Port Flux, and Bloody Eyes. Napakaganda ng tugtog na yan. Pampatulog. At ginagawa ko siya pampatulog dati. Nung bata pa ako. So, last one. Last one, Rabbit Horn. Oh, gago. Check rin yun. Nag-miss tayo. Hindi mawala yung miss eh. So, Daikatana plus 5, we don't need that item. So, we are going to leave it for now. Then, siguro kunin ko yan para may pambenta ako. Kasi wala tayong pera eh. Uulitin ko, this game is pay to win. Kaya, don't expect na lumakas ka kung hindi ka maglalabas ng pera. Dati pa naman, sa PC pa naman ganito na siya. So, wala pa tayong dash. Kaya, lakad mode lang muna tayo. May mo naka-astral bike agad eh. Sana all. May bot. So, we're going to maxi, to zoom in ng konti. Yung medyo malag na yung graphics ko kapag naka-zoom out. Tapos, napakarami. Bot talaga to, promise. Actually, bot talaga yung mga yan. Pamparami lang ng characters. So, we're done in Bloody Eyes. Transfer naman tayo sa Desert Scream. On our next map. Yan. We're going to go on Desert Scream. Dito naman yung mapa kung saan ang class mo is Blader Wizard. Yan. Kapag yung class mo is Blader tsaka Wizard, dito ka mag-redirect. Dito yung first map mo. Parang dito ka nang galing. So what's this? The challenge of the desert. Kill Giant Beetle. So we're going to kill Giant Beetle. So yung part na yan is Garly. Mga Garly sila. Ang Giant Beetle is I guess nandito. Oh, mali. Desert Hound, Desert Fox yung mga nandiyan. Sa kabilang pinto tayo. We're going to transfer on the other door. Dalawa lang pala pinto dito, sorry. Nakalimutan ko kasi. Matagal na kasi ako nung huli naglaro nito sa Korean version. Kaya medyo nalimutan ko na. So, we're going to search for Giant Beetle. We're going to search for Giant Beetle. Layo tayo sa mga sa kulay pulang pangalan kasi we can they can kill us easier. Where's the Giant Beetle? So that is Desert Hound. Saan ba yung Giant Beetle dito? Nalimutan ko na. Wait. I'm searching for Giant Beetle. Alam ko nasa malapit lang yun eh. Nasa malapit lang yun. Hindi pwedeng lumayo yung Giant Beetle na yun. So hindi, yung gargoyles ay nandiyan eh. Maybe I'm going to click na nga lang. Utang ina. Naligaw na ako. Nalimutan ko na kung nasa yung Giant Beetle. So by the way, we are playing early access of this game. So wala pa tayong masyadong kalaban. Wala pa tayong masyadong kasama na magpalakas. Sasamantala natin pagkakataon na to. Hanggat hindi pa ganun karami naglalaro. Yan. We have already had the opportunity na laruin yung early access ng game. Kaya samantalahin na natin. So we're going to kill Giant Beetle. At least 5 of this Giant Beetle. So while in this content, we are going to explore some of these maps, some of the maps here para sa early access ng game. And after that, I'm going to explain some of the important things na dapat yung malaman sa game. So we're done questing. Then we already have 3 skills right now. Hindi pa ganun karami skills natin. Gawa na nag-umpisa pa lang tayo, level 3 pa lang tayo. So I've got Return Stone times 30. Malaking bagay kasi meron na ako 60 times 16 na Return Stone. Malaking bagay yung Return Stone. Receive the certificate. So balik tayo kay Kaluwa Instructor. We already done for those quest. Mag-report tayo kay Kaluwa Instructor para kumuha na panibagong quest. Ang tagal. We're done in here. So, hey there, Kaluwa Instructor. This is certificate attesting of your completion. Hand over the certificate. Okay, quest complete. Meron tayong na-receive na MP potion. Ulitin ko, sa umpisa lang libre lahat. Darating ang panahon kapag tumagal yung paglalaro mo sa laro na to, lahat to may bayad na. So, we're going to click recommended. Skip tutorial natin kasi alam na natin yan. Kung gusto nyo malaman yung mga ganong bagay, try this by on your own para matuklasan nyo, madiscover nyo yung sarili nyo. Kung hindi ka matyagang magbasa, hindi mo matututunan yung larong to, promise. So, umpisa, and core upgrade, next dialogue. Listen to the next story. Ay, ito tulad nito. Ang dami niyang choices. So, we are going to choose the right dialogue para dun sa tanong niya. So, I shall proceed to the items. Yan. So, we're going to collect training upgrade core. Kasi mag-upgrade na tayo. So, working. Impossible to do. Yan. So, we're here. We're going to kill Troglo Fighter. Layo tayo ng konti kasi napakarami nila. Kaya tayong patayin yan ng isang saglit. We're going to search for training upgrade core. Yan. I'm going to click the auto. Yan, meron tayong training upgrade core. May isa na tayo. So, we're going to search for the another one. Yes. Let's read the quest. Tapos, punta na tayo kung saan pwede makuha yung another item para matapos natin agad yung quest. Saan kinuha ko ng mga set nyo? Kinakausap niya yung bot, I guess. Mga baguhan. Pasali po. So yun, done na tayo sa ating quest. We're going to transfer again on the on the core alchemist, Sinodaka. Yan. So next dialogue, quest complete. Upgrade core low. Ulitin ko,